Imagine forgetting the names of your loved ones, misplacing everyday items in bizarre places, or feeling lost in your own home. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? These might not be just random forgetful moments, but early signs of a disease lurking in the shadows. Stick with this video till the end, and you might just arm yourself with knowledge that could change the course of your life or someone you love. The primary aim of this video is to shed light and raise awareness about the early signs of dementia. In doing so, we aim to equip you with the knowledge to recognize, intervene, and possibly prevent its progress. Dementia is not merely forgetfulness. It's a medical condition marked by a consistent decline in cognitive abilities, resulting in memory disorders and impaired reasoning. It's like watching the sharpness of a picture fade over time, making everything unclear. Amongst the various forms of dementia, Alzheimer's stands out as the most prevalent. What makes it unique? The buildup of amyloid plaques and the presence of tau protein tangles in the brain, which interfere with normal neural function, making it progressively challenging for brain cells to communicate. The significance of understanding early dementia signs cannot be overstated. Just as a small spark can be swiftly put out before it becomes a raging fire, recognizing these early signs can pave the way for timely interventions and even preventive measures. In the early stages, many individuals unknowingly develop strategies to compensate for memory lapses. They might start relying heavily on reminders, notes, or even other people. It's a natural coping mechanism, a brain's way of finding alternative routes when the main roads are blocked. Our brain is the command center of our being. When its functioning diminishes, so does our drive and motivation. A declining brain function doesn't just mean forgetfulness, it translates to a decreasing zest for life, activities, and interactions. The brain doesn't just suddenly switch off. Degeneration is a gradual process. Initially, it may manifest as reduced mental stamina, leading to fatigue after tasks that were once a breeze. Some might even experience subtle changes in posture, a physical manifestation of what's happening within. Understanding the stages of dementia, from the initial subtle signs to the more profound symptoms, is paramount. It offers a roadmap, guiding caregivers and affected individuals on what to expect and how to prepare. Let's start with early-stage dementia warning signs. Memory loss that disrupts daily life. While everyone forgets things from time to time, what distinguishes this as a sign of early-stage dementia is the frequency and the type of memory issues. This isn't about occasionally forgetting where you left your keys, but more about not remembering important dates, appointments, or events. A person might ask repetitive questions, forget important commitments, or rely heavily on reminder notes and electronic devices to get through the day. Difficulty planning or solving problems. Cognitive changes in early-stage dementia can affect a person's ability to follow complex tasks, particularly ones that involve numbers or logical sequences. Someone who used to manage household finances effortlessly might struggle to keep track of monthly bills. Or a person who loved cooking may now find it difficult to follow a multi-step recipe accurately. Trouble completing familiar tasks. Daily activities and routines that were once second nature can start to pose challenges. This sign is about the inconsistency where on some days tasks are completed with ease, but on others, they become unexpectedly difficult. A regular card player might forget the rules of a game they've known for decades. Alternatively, someone might struggle to operate household appliances they've used for years. Confusion with time or place. A distorted sense of time and place can be unsettling. This is not about momentarily forgetting the day of the week, but more about losing broader chunks of time or feeling disoriented in familiar places. A person may become lost in their own neighborhood, not recognizing where they are despite living there for years. Or they might be confused about the current season or year. Next, we have mid-stage dementia warning signs. Difficulty understanding visual images and spatial relationships. As dementia progresses into the mid-stage, it's not only memory that's affected, but also the brain's ability to interpret what the eyes see. This leads to difficulties with balance, depth perception, and understanding visual cues. Someone might misjudge the distance between objects, leading to spills or knocks. They might also struggle to recognize their reflection in the mirror, thinking someone else is in the room with them. New problems with words, in speaking or writing. Communication becomes increasingly difficult during mid-stage dementia. This isn't about occasionally struggling to find the right word, but more consistent and noticeable difficulties in forming coherent sentences or thoughts. A person might use incorrect or made-up words in conversation. They may describe an object because they can't recall its name, like calling a watch a wrist time thing. Conversations can become circular, with the individual repeating the same stories or questions in a short span of time, misplacing things and losing the ability to retrace steps. This symptom goes beyond simply misplacing keys or glasses. Individuals with dementia might place items in odd, inappropriate places. A person might find their wallet in the refrigerator or their glasses in the sugar jar. What compounds the issue is the inability to retrace their steps. Where most people can eventually think back and locate a misplaced item, someone with dementia might not only fail to recall, but might also become extremely agitated or distressed about it. Decreased or poor judgment. Cognitive impairments can severely affect decision-making capabilities and judgment. A person with dementia might fall victim to scams or give away large sums of money impulsively. They might wear heavy winter clothes on a hot day or vice versa. Ignoring personal grooming, like wearing the same clothes for days or not bathing, can also become a concern. Finally, let's look at late-stage dementia warning signs. Withdrawal from work or social activities. As cognitive functions decline further, the world can become confusing and overwhelming, leading many to withdraw from previously enjoyed activities. A person who was once sociable might start avoiding gatherings, even family ones. Someone passionate about their job might stop showing up or start making frequent errors. Hobbies that once brought joy, like painting or reading, might be abandoned entirely. Changes in mood and personality. With the progression of dementia, emotional and behavioral changes become more evident. A previously easygoing individual might become easily agitated or aggressive. Unfounded suspicions about family members stealing or hiding things can arise. Episodes of crying or mood swings can occur without an apparent reason. Physical difficulties and motor skill decline. Late-stage dementia isn't just about memory and behavior. Physical coordination and motor functions also deteriorate. There might be an increased need for assistance with daily tasks, from eating to dressing. Walking becomes challenging, leading to shuffling or even an inability to walk without support. Simple tasks like holding utensils can become difficult. Difficulty communicating. The ability to communicate effectively deteriorates significantly in the late stages of dementia. Speech might be reduced to simple phrases or even single words, making it challenging to convey needs or feelings. Conversations can become fragmented, with the individual losing their train of thought frequently. Nonverbal cues, such as pointing or gesturing, might become the primary mode of communication. It's also not uncommon for individuals to revert to a native language if they were multilingual. Early intervention is key. Recognizing and addressing these warning signs can significantly slow the progression of dementia and, in some cases, even reverse cognitive decline. Remember, timely medical evaluations, lifestyle changes, and therapeutic interventions can make a profound difference. Here are 5 tips for family members and caregivers. Patience and understanding. Remember, it's the disease causing these changes, not the individual. Approach situations with empathy and patience. Consistent routine. A predictable routine can provide comfort and a sense of stability. Stay educated. Knowledge is power. Understand the disease and its progression to offer the best support. Encourage social interaction. Even simple social activities can make a significant difference in mood and cognitive function. Seek support. Join caregiver support groups or forums. Share, learn, and understand that you're not alone in this journey. Please share this video to help spread the word about the early signs of dementia and the importance of timely intervention. By sharing, you might be offering someone the insights they desperately need. If you've had personal experiences with dementia, or if you have additional insights or resources to share, please leave a comment below. Your perspective can offer immense support and guidance to others. Remember, achieving optimal health and vitality is a journey, not a destination. With that said, there is no harm in liking, commenting, and hitting that subscribe button to get more health and wellness videos like this. Stay informed, stay healthy, and until next time, take care.